We're doing watermelon races today, and we're cutting them right now.
Do you need help? You're not cutting it on the cutting board.
Okay, wait, make them slightly bigger.
That's a huge slice. I think like he meant a pizza.
I don't care. It's gonna make it harder for them.
So this is currently the size we have going on right now. Come here, guys. Got watermelon juice in my camera. Whichever one's bigger, because I don't like him.
This one?
This one, yeah, definitely that one. It's really rainy all day, so this is the most fun we've had all day. Dogs, get back.
Get! Look how big they are.
No! No! Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
What?
What's wrong?
These! Sit there.
Oh, alright.
Go up there.
Ready?
Set.
Go.
Look at Logan's compared to Jake's.
Come on, guys.
Eat it faster.
Jake, do a second round. Come on, Logan, why can't you do that?
Try it.
Eat it like it's a zombie brain, that's what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh, who's gonna win? Who do you think's gonna win?
Probably Jake. Yep, he just won. I just won! Oh, I did it!
So what do you have to say after you won? Would you like to thank your sponsors?
Thank my sponsor of... Be right back.
That was our watermelon races. I hope you enjoyed that. This is our winner right here. Raise your arm up. Thank you very much. And this is our loser right here. What's your name?
Logan.
What's your name?
Jake Wallen.
Jake. And I hope you enjoyed.
Suck that watermelon! Wait, are you already... Wait, is the camera already filming?
Yeah. I can make cuts though.